So today is still Tuesday, April 7, 2020. I was watching some videos about unemployment. So we don't have only COVID-19, but we have also unemployment rising. And that's something very, very heavy what is happening right now. People are already laid off. So we have over 10 million people without a job. And these numbers are going to continue rising in USA and all over the world. So what I have been doing is a video every day, try to invite you to join this business that many people we have been working on since 1999. The name of the company is Global Domains International, and you are able to build an extra source of income. It's important if you don't have a job now to try to look for a job right now. As Cardone said in one video I was watching, your job now is to get a job. But also on the side, what I'm trying to invite you to do is to join us in this venture that you can do on the side along with your job, or even if you don't have a job, just do this. The good thing about what I'm suggesting for you to do is that you can do it from home, and you can do it even if you have only a smartphone with internet service or with your computer or laptop. There are some links on the description of this video that I want you to take a look at. Enter your name and email in the space where you're asked to enter your name and email. You will watch videos from the company, read the information about this business, and take a look at everything. I know this is a special time now that we are going through, but as I said before in another video, time is passing by, time is ticking. So it's important for you to take a serious look at what I'm trying to suggest to you to do. Many people already, as I said, earning extra income here. Some people small amounts, some people big amounts. So that depends on how we do this kind of business. The good thing about this business is that you don't do it by yourself. So you're working in a team. So we have a team of friends all over the world, and we work together. We help each other, and we are here for each other, even though we are in our homes right now. So go ahead, review the information, better yet, register with this company, with our company. Register in one of those links that I am advising you to take a look. With a debit card or credit card, you don't have to pay nothing for the first 7 days. It's a free trial. Then it's only $10 per month after that. Yes, this is called the Amazing $10 Business. That's another name that this business has. You will make money with this, that's for sure. So that is another source of income for you to start building on. I thank you for your attention. So I'm just asking you to be safe, stay at home as we're advised to do. My name is Gerardo Roman, and see you next time. Thank you.